children. How are you? Today I will take you to the magical world of birds. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. See, who has come to meet you? Parrot. Look. Now, Kingfisher. See, they have come to meet you. Peacock. It's the national bird of our country. It's a beautiful bird. Sparrow. It's a small bird. This is parrot. Parrot can talk like a human. Parrots are found in different colors. It's a crow. Crow is a intelligent bird. It's a duck. Duck says quack quack. Duck says quack quack. Eagle is very strong and have sharp eyes. Ostrich is the heaviest and tallest bird in the world. This is owl. It's a night bird. Kingfisher. Now all of you, bye.